metswalle. Re le amohela mona inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang metswalle.
Nna lebitso la ka ke Bonolo. Enwa ke Baby Bab. Ebile re na le motswalle wa rona ya moholo, Old Baobab.
Baobab.
Hantle haholo Baby Bab. Ha re dumediseng Old Baobab kaofela ha rona. Dumela Old Baobab. Jwale he, ke nako ya hore re tsokotse mmele ya rona.
Ke a tseba hore ke nako efe eo.
Ana le a tseba hore ke nako ya eng metswalle? Oh, nna wa tseba hore metswalle ya rona e reng?
E reng metswalle ya rona?
Ba re ke nako ya ho bina pina.
Tsa mohatla wa ka, ke nako ya ho bina.
Ha re bineng he metswalle.
Yippee!
Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. We say how's it and eta. What's up and sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen en kunjani. Riyalocha botani. Rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. We say how's it and eta. What's up and sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen en kunjani. Riyalocha botani. Rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng. Hello, dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, tobela, abusheng.
Ke tshepa hore le ratile pina ya rona metswalle.
Le nna ke e ratile haholo.
Ke a tseba mokgotsi wa ka.
Ho bina ho monate hampe Bonolo.
Ke hantle motswalle.
O ne o tshwere eng maobane ha o ne o tsamaya?
Ke ne ke tshwere ntho e sebediswang mejahong ya dipere.
Ha ke utlwisisi. Thupa eno e sebedisetswang mejahong ya dipere.
Ke eo bapalami ba dipere ba e sebedisang nakong ya ho beisa.
Oh! Ele hore e sebediswa jwang hore le nna ke tle ke tsebe ho etsa hore pere ya ka e kgone ho siya tse ding.
Bakganni ba tsona ba otla dipere tsa bona hore di mathe ka pele.
Atjhe! O batla hore le shapa dipere tsa batho fela hore di tle di kgone ho bina. Atjhe ka nnete nna ho dumedetse yo.
Ho ya ka mokgatlo wa SPCA ba serelletsa diphoofolo.
Oh! Ana ke tshotlo e le ka nnete ho otla pere ya hao nakong ya peiso.
O ka etsa moo molao o fanneng ka tumello fela.
Oh! Jwalo ka mejahong ya dipere.
Hobane mosebetsi wa tsona ke ho beisa fela, mme ka hoo di lokellwa ho dula di phetse hantle.
Oho! Ke a bona jwale.
Ha re utlwe hore metswalle ya rona e rata ditlhodisano dife tsa lebelo.
Ho lokile, ha re yeng.
Rata ho sebela Comrade Marathon, ba tla ho matha jwalo ka bone. Ke rata ho matha sekolong. Ke rata batho ba abaresa le dipasekele.
Re a leboha haholo metswalle. Utlwile baby Pep, metswalle ya rona e tseba dilo tse ngata.
Tsokotsa mohatla wa ka.
Empa metswalle ya ka, ke nako ya hore re phomoleng hanyane fela.
Se keng le tsamaya metswalle.
Eya, re tla be re tshwere ntho tse ngata ha re hutla. Dulang hona moo.
Re tla e bona hona jwale.
Hello friends, welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Hello, friend.
Shoo, time is just racing away so fast. You can tell that we're having a fun time today, right baby Pep?
We are, Nolo.
Radio ya rona e se loketse ho bapala pina e monate. Nna le batla e mamela.
Nolo, le nna ke a batla.
Le se le lokile metswalle? Ho lokile, ha re bineng he. Ha re bapalo hlodisana, hlodisana, hlodisana. Ha re bapalo hlodisana, mohlodo thola mpho. Ha re matha re hlodisana, hlodisana, hlodisana. Ha re matha re hlodisana, mohlodo thola mpho. Ha re tlola ra hlodisana, hlodisana, hlodisana. Ha re tlola ma hlodisana, mohlodo thola mpho. Ha re sesa ra hlodisana, hlodisana, hlodisana. Ha re sesa ra hlodisana, mohlodo thola mpho.
Se ka ba monate, re leboha Nolo.
Today we're learning about competing in different races.
Oh yes, like running and swimming.
Yes, baby Pep. Do you know that you can also race by talking?
How do you do that?
It's simple. You say a sentence very fast and see who does it the fastest. Would you like to try?
Yes, okay, Nolo.
Okay, let's say, welcome inside the Baobab tree, very fast together and see who finishes first.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Welcome inside the Baobab.
I won, Nolo.
Baby Pep, what was that?
Woo! That's how you say welcome inside the Baobab tree in bush baby language.
Okay then, let's do something in the language we both understand.
And what language is that?
That's the making and doing language. Let's make and do a sailboat.
Yeah! Twist my tail.
This is our magic toolbox Tuli, and inside it has everything we need to show you how you can make your very own box sailboat. Let's wake Tuli up. Hello Tuli, I'd like to make a box sailboat. Please may I have all the tools and materials I'll need? Great! It sounds as if Tuli is ready. Let me reach inside. I'll need a cereal box, some glue, paint, paintbrushes, a paper cup, bottle of water, straws, a pair of safe scissors, a ruler, a marker, an old sponge, different color paper, I can't feel anything else, Tuli. Is that all I need? Fantastic. Let's get making.
Make and do, make and do.
Oh, Lolo, do we have everything?
We have everything, Baby Bab.
Yippee!
Now I can show you how you can make your very own boat.
Oh, yeah.
Let's make it.
Yes, yeah.
So, you take your box of cereal, a marker, and a pair of scissors. What we need to do is draw the bottom part of the boat and cut it out.
Oh, okay.
So, you start from the line and you draw an oval like that. Turn it around, see? Join it with the other line.
Oh, yes.
And you do another one. Draw an oval like that. See?
Oh, Lolo, what are you going to do now?
So here's what we do, Baby Bab. We cut the corners like that, all the way to the line. And you cut the other side, all the way.
Whoa, carefully, Lolo.
Fold it just a little bit. Then cut on the line.
Oh, wow.
Do the same thing on the other side. Cut. And cut like that. And you fold it just a little bit. And cut on the line. Like that.
Wow, a boat.
Now we have to cut this part here.
Oh.
To do that, you fold just a little bit. You first cut straight.
Whoa, carefully, Lolo.
Then you cut out the oval.
Yeah.
Do the same thing on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
Fold just a little. Be very careful, friends, because these scissors are very sharp.
Whoa, a boat. Yippee. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, what's next, Lolo?
Now, the next part is we need to take an old sponge
Oh.
and a little bit of glue.
Oh, why do you need a sponge, Lolo?
Well, Baby Bab, we'll stick it in there, put a straw in so that we can make the sails for the boat.
Oh, clever, Lolo.
So, we take some glue, put it on the sponge, like that, and stick it down.
Oh, wow.
Close the glue.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Now Now this part is very dangerous, friends, so you need to ask an adult to help you. You take your scissors, open them up, and then you make a hole in the sponge.
Whoa, carefully, Nana.
Then you take your straw, stretch it out, and put it in there and see if it fits. See? Like that.
Yay!
Okay. Now here comes the fun part, baby Bab. We're going to make our sails.
Yay! Colors! Blue!
We'll take this blue paper, my ruler, and a marker. I'm going to start off by making the smaller sail.
Yes, yes, no.
To do this, I need to draw a triangle from this corner here all the way down to there.
Oh, okay.
So you put your ruler and you draw your sail. That.
Oh, yay!
Then you cut it out. On the line, all the way up and cut.
Nice, Nana.
Now do a bigger sail for our boat. To do this, I'll take another different colored A3 paper and I'll do the same thing.
Oh,
Draw a triangle from that point there all the way down here.
oh wow.
So take my ruler and draw. Just like that. See, baby girl? Then you cut. There you go. Now, you take your straw, just the bottom part there, just a little bit. You fold your big paper sail across the straw, like that.
Whoa.
And you'll glue it down.
Oh, Nana, what are you going to do next?
Well, after putting my straw in, I'm going to add some patterns and paint on my sail. I'll draw lines like that. And another one. I'll paint this part here green.
Oh, wow.
Take another brush and start painting yellow in there.
Oh.
So now, when you're done painting, you'll take the other sail, put some glue on it, just a little bit on the edge. And then you stick it on.
Oh, wow, Nana.
Then, when everything is dry, just take it and you put it in the sponge.
Oh, wow.
I've already made mine here.
Wow, Nana, I love it.
And there you have it, friends, your very own boat.
Now we can go fishing.
Yay! Metswalle, ke tshepa hore le thabetse ho bapala le rona tsatsing lena.
Oh, re a leboha haholo ha le bapetse le rona.
Tsatsing lena, re ithutile ka ntho tse ngata tse thabisang haholo.
Eya, ebile re entse ntho tse ngata.
Empa ke nako ya hore re sadise metswalle ya rona jwale.
Oh, motsotswana fela hle.
O se ke wa tshwenyeha, baby Bab, re tla bona metswalle ya rona tsatsing le leng hape.
Ha, wa tshepisa?
Ke a o tshepisa.
Oh, ho lokile. Ke tla bona wena le wena le wena hape.
Salang hantle.
Salang hantle.
Letsatsing lena inside the Baobab tree re ithutile ka ho reisana. Re ile ra bina pina e monate le singing radio. Bile re iketseditse di racing sailboat ka nako ya make and